Hey guys, this is Henry from OBEDIA again. Today we're going to be talking about metadata in the project page of Studio One. So let's say that you have already imported your tracks, you've done the processing that you wanted to add, you've worked on the timeline, you've set your fades, fade ins, fade outs, levels, and things like that. And before the export, or before actually exporting the final files, you want to make sure that your metadata information is correct, okay? What do I mean with metadata? Well, we're talking about the song name, the artist name, album name, year, things like that. So the first thing you want to make sure is that your song titles are correct, right? So how do you change your song title? Well, you have on your left side of the screen the list of songs, right? Your track list. If you double click on it, you can type whatever the name is. So my first song, let's say it's called My Sunshine. So you type, and there you go. And then the second song, let's call it Love. Okay, you type, and then you're good. So you just added the names for those tracks. Now you can, if you see right above that, you can see album and artist. You can type right next to album on that field. You click on it, and then you can type the name of the album. Let's call it My Great EP. Okay, and then artist, band. Let's call it the Blue Band. Blue Band, right? Now, more metadata information can be found by clicking on this little arrow. You click on it, and then you can add comments, songwriter, composer, genre. Let's say this is rock. You simply click and type, right? Year 2020. You could even add the artwork, okay, to the album. So this is important that you do, because when you export or when you burn, you create a disk image or a digital release, maybe a DDP, this should be already embedded. So this is really important. So that's how you add your metadata information to your Studio One project in Studio One. If you have any other questions, please call us from OBEDIA at 615-933-6775. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
Today's pro audio hardware and software can give you excellent results if you know how to use it properly. OBEDIA can help you to get the most out of your pro audio hardware and software. Why spend your time scouring the internet for answers or digging through manuals? With one quick call to an OBEDIA technician, you'll be connected with someone who can give you the answers that you need in real time via phone and remote desktop. OBEDIA technicians are trained in all major digital audio applications on Mac, PC, iOS, and Android devices. OBEDIA member subscriptions are cost-effective, give you great member benefits, and OBEDIA is here 7 days a week to help you get the most out of your digital audio hardware and software. No matter what your level of expertise, OBEDIA can help you to stay focused and productive and get your music back on track. Start taming your technology today with OBEDIA.